Hey, just coming back from out in the field. The last few days I've been meeting with tons of clients in Brooklyn Park and the surrounding areas, and I've had so many questions asked to me about how the insurance process works, and I wanted to talk to you about the step-by-step process to make this process as simple and headache-free as possible. So the process is pretty simple if you get everything on the board, which we did. We're here in our conference room at Olio Group. So step first is file a claim. You have to go on Google, and if you know your insurance company, you just put that insurance company name in and put claim number. You're going to be able to call them and tell them first the date of the storm, tell them what day it happened, what time it happened, and then what kind of damage you have. If you have roof damage, siding damage, gutter damage, and then if it was wind or hail damage. Next, you're going to choose a contractor. We're going to give you some tips on how to choose a contractor, but make sure they're local, make sure they're insured and licensed. After that, you're going to have your insurance company schedule an adjuster meeting. Because you've chosen a contractor, you want to make sure that that contractor is on site when that adjuster meeting happens. Next, you're going to finalize the scope. So after the adjuster comes out, they're going to send you a packet with the whole line-by-line item scope that's going to tell you exactly what you've been awarded throughout the insurance process. After your scope is finalized, you're going to choose your colors and your products to put on your home to replace your siding, to replace your roof, to replace your gutters, and replace your windows. And then that's where you're going to choose everything you want and specifically exactly what you're going to look for. Keep in mind that scope is going to cover only like for like. So if you have vinyl siding, it's going to cover vinyl siding. It won't cover LP Smart Side if you have vinyl siding. After you've chosen your colors and products, you're going to schedule the project. That's when the company that you're working with will tell you exactly when the project's going to be scheduled, when the roof will be installed, when the siding will be installed, and when your windows will be installed. Next step is getting the final paperwork. Once that project is complete, you will get final paperwork. So you get your recoverable depreciation, which is a final check. Next, you will get your warranty information from your contractor, and you'll also get your information about the whole final project and the final invoice. Now here are some tips for you so you can make sure that you can relax throughout this process. First off, breathe. You went through a crazy storm, you have a lot of damage, but just relax, it's going to be okay. Next step is choose local. Make sure that you verify that the company you're choosing is from this area. They're from your local area, because if you have any problems in the future, even if it's 2 years or 5 years down the line, those type of companies will be here if you need them. Next step, ask for references. Ask for different people, contacts that they've worked for in the past, people that they've done projects for, and ask for different places that you can drive by and see the projects that they've done. Last step is work with somebody you can trust. The fact of the matter is you're going to have a ton of people from Oklahoma, Texas, Iowa, Wisconsin, throughout the United States coming and wanting your business. One thing to make sure is just work with somebody you can trust and rely on. From whether you have issues in the future, throughout the whole process, somebody you can trust, and they will answer your calls from before, during, and after your project is complete.